Pate Rouge. Cornmeal with tomato sauce and onions. A main dish from Benin.
You will
Serve
need
10
4
ingredients. Step 1. Sauté diced onions, bullion cube, pimento and tomato paste in oil. Step 2. Add the water and bring to a rolling boil. Step 3. Add corn flour slowly while stirring it vigorously with a wire whisk until all the lumps are out and it starts to become thick. Step 4. In a separate pan, sauté sliced onion and onion with salt, then add chopped tomatoes and cook briefly. Add this mixture to the corn flour mixture. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.